Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to do a really elegant updo. Think going out, clubbing, big meal out, wedding, anything like that. It looks really cute. Let me show you. I'm going to start off by just sectioning off these side pieces. Next I want you to come to this crown area here and we're going to place some back comb in. So just taking small sections of hair, adding some powder in or some back comb spray, hairspray, whatever you like to use. And just at the root area, we're just going to push down. We don't need to go crazy here. We don't want it to be too big. Just a nice little root lift. Okay, so this top section here, you're just going to come to the front and just gently with the comb, just work over that top back comb there just to make sure there's none that you can see. Smoothing it out like so. So next I've got a little hair bobble, a little hair tie, and I'm just going to put a hair grip either side of that to make this. I'm going to slide that behind, gently bring it across, holding onto that side, and slide it the other side as well. And that's just going to hold that hair into place, but quite loosely, and that then enables me to be able to just move this top hair however I want to. I'm then going to take the hair on the crown because I want to make sure I've got quite a lot of hair to play with at the end. So I'm going to take this hair on the crown and I'm just gently going to twist this hair up and just pin it out of my way for now. Just spraying this side of the hair, and I'm just going to use my fingers now, or a comb you can use, and just pull this hair over like this. We're then going to take some grips and just hold this hair into place. So just using a normal hair bun that you can get anywhere online in the shops, I've just cut a little bit of that off that hair donut, and I'm just going to fold it like so, and then I'm going to fold it that way, and I'm going to place that just here, and then you're going to pin that into place. So just taking a bit of hairspray now, just making sure that hair is all nice and tamed. Just directing this hair over this way. Just place this hair over this hair padding and start to twist that hair up. And then we're going to take our long hair grips and just start pinning this into place. So releasing these side bits now, I'm going to leave out these front sections because I'm going to style those last. And I'm just going to add some back comb into this area here. So just gently brushing out these side sections, and we're going to sweep these in a moment. I'm taking this top piece of hair here now, pushing it forward and just placing a little bit more hair padding here. If your model's got lots and lots of really thick hair, you might not have to do this bit. And then you're just going to work this top piece of hair over and around that hair padding. So we're just going to take these side sections that we back combed earlier. So coming back to the front now, just adding a little bit of powder into this front section. That is the style completed. I love this style. I think it just looks so intricate. Definitely like a glamorous evening out, a big fancy meal or anything like that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.